It's way out, so you have to tap again. You're London. It's red, so it opened. Whew. I flew over the Thames. Oh, gusto daw niyang nakawin yung bata.
See how long the line is.
Oo nga, oh, nauna tayo. Oh, it's nice. Thanks for the experience. IFS.
No, no, I don't think you'll
Oh,
take
sorry. Oh, kainan. Hello there. There's that Crown Plaza Hotel across the Niagara Falls. It is the Niagara Falls, Canada. It's great time. Teriyaki. Ay. It's Grace Caribbean cuisine. It's jerky. Saucy burgers. Oh, it feels so good out here, folks. It feels so good. Cool air. And this is homemade Afghan. Yummy. And there's a full meal breakfast, English breakfast. Oh, it feels so good. Ang galing naman ni Kuya, naglilinis. Ayan pala yung trabaho niya. Part-time. Asan na? Wala na yung aeroplano, inaantay ko. Wala. Naiwan tuloy ako. Hot. Look out. Neighborhood watch. Huh? At maatras yung text. Ay, text. charges per hour. Ah. What's behind me? You wanna move here, Daddy? You're gonna rent over there. London. Oh, the water is dark. The water is black. I don't know. It could be. It really is. I guess it's just a reflection. I hope. Oh, that is Ibis Hotel. Tubuto na!
Yung pagsasawaan nila kita.
This one is... yeah, I'm gonna just get the color of this flower. It's a wonderful color.
Nasaan na sila?
Ayun na sa tuk-tuk. Ayun oh. There they are. Mapasok pala yung mga sasakyan dito. Pambihira. What the heck? Huh? That's confusing. Naulaw ako na po. Hana nga taga Europe. I'm from America. Originally, Philippines. So, ako nahilo na. Bakit pumapasok? Nagdadaan sila dyan? What the heck? And they're going all the way down? I don't know. I'm just so confused. Oh wow, now I know what's in this place. It says it all. Face-to-face connecting lives celebrating 25 years. Share your event memories. Submit your photos network. Immerse London at Exile Confront. Oh, London, baby. It's Elvis Presley. Oh, where are they now? They went in. Iniwanan na ako. So, welcome in, Benvino. Welcome, Benvino. Oh, yun. Water. Nakano?
Water.
That's Jasmine's.
Kami di water mo. Mag-refill din yan.
Kuya has his tea. Bababaihim. Ay, asan na ihim? Ah,
Students.
I see. Ayan na naman ang Costa Coffee. Is sure the best coffee, Costa? Like Starbucks?
Go party.
Costa Coffee.
Toilets here are usually kids.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you can write it.
Oh.
Yeah, this is where, that's my uni there, UCL.
Oh, UCL. Here. Ayan na yung baka mo, daddy. Yung prime.
Prime burger.
Yung prime mo. Prime na prime. Insabit dan yung London, baby. Oh, okay. Sige, sige. Bathroom
You
muna.
can refill here as well if you
Yeah, paglabas na lang ng toilet. Oh. Hello there. How are you doing here? You okay? Yeah. Tired? Oh, you want coffee? Starbucks?
Toilet, anyone?
Yeah, ako.
Toilet, I'm going to...
Lahat ng bathroom nila sa baba, you have to go for like 3 steps down or 3 floor down, I don't know. Hagdan nila, 3 bago makarating. Pakyat din. This is their water. Exit London. That's it for today.